Hello dear children, let's continue the chapter parts and wholes. In previous class we learnt about different types of fraction like unit fraction, like fractions, unlike fractions, proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. So today's topics are addition of like fractions, subtraction of like fractions, to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction and to convert mixed fraction to improper fractions. First one is addition of like fractions. What is like fraction? Those fraction in which denominators are same is called like fractions. In this example, 3 by 6 and 1 by 6, in both the fractions denominator is same, that is 6. So these fractions are like fractions. In this 4 by 9 and 3 by 9, denominator is same, that is 9. So these fractions are like fractions. First one is 3 by 6 plus 1 by 6. These fractions are like fraction. So, to add these fractions, what we will do? We will just add the numerator. We will just add the numerator and will retain the denominator as it is. Will retain the denominator as it is. 3 plus 1, 4 and denominator is 6. So, 3 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is equals to 4 by 6. Next one is 4 by 9 plus 3 by 9. How we will add these fractions? First of all, we will see whether these fractions are like or unlike. Yes, denominator of both the fractions are same. So these fractions are like fractions. To add the like fractions, just keep in mind we will always add the numerator only. We will always add the numerator and will keep the denominator as it is. Will keep the denominator as it is. 4 plus 3, 7 and denominator is 9. So 4 by 9 plus 3 by 9 is equals to 7 by 9. In this way we can add the like fractions. To add the like fractions, just add the numerator and retain the denominator as it is. Next one is subtraction of like fractions. First one is 5 by 11 minus 4 by 11. Denominator of both the fractions are same. So these fractions are like fractions. To subtract these fractions, what we will do? We will just subtract the numerator. We will just subtract the numerator and will retain the denominator as it is. To subtract the like fractions, just subtract the numerators and retain the denominator as it is. 5 minus 4, 1. Denominator is 11. So our answer is 1 by 11. If we will subtract 4 by 11 from 5 by 11, what we will get? We will get 1 by 11. Next one is 9 by 13 minus 5 by 13. To subtract these fractions, these are like fractions because denominators are same. Like fractions. To subtract these fractions, we will just subtract the numerator 9 minus 5 and will retain the denominator as it is. 9 minus 5, 4 and denominator is 13. So our answer is 4 by 13. In this way we can subtract the like fractions. To subtract the like fractions, we will just subtract the numerator and will keep the denominator as it is. Next one is how we can convert improper fraction to mixed fraction and mixed fraction to improper fraction. First we will see what is improper fraction and what is mixed fraction. In previous class we learnt about both of these. Improper fractions are those fractions in which numerator is greater than the denominator. In 11 by 4, numerator is greater than denominator. So this is improper fraction. In 36 by 7, numerator is greater than denominator. So this fraction is also improper fraction. And what is mixed fraction? Whole number together with fraction is known as mixed fraction. Here 2 is whole number and 2 by 3 is fraction. So whole number together with fraction is mixed fraction. Whole number together with fraction is mixed fraction. 6 is whole number and 3 by 5 is fraction. So 6, 3 by 5 is mixed fraction. Now we will see how we can convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. This is 11 by 4. This is improper fraction. We have to convert this into mixed fraction. So to convert it into mixed fraction, we will just divide this 11 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Remainder is 3. Remainder is 3. Now, how we will write the mixed fraction? This quotient we will write here. This quotient we will write here. We will write remainder in the numerator and divisor in the denominator. Divisor in the denominator. Quotient here, remainder in the numerator and divisor in the denominator. This is 2, 3 by 4. 2 is whole number and 3 by 4 is fraction. So if we will convert 11 by 4 into mixed fraction, this will come to 3 by 4. In the same way 36 by 7. We will divide 36 by 7. 7 fives are 35. Remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. This is whole number. This quotient we will write here. Remainder in numerator and divisor in denominator. So mixed fraction of 36 by 7 is 5, 1 by 7. Now next one is mixed fraction is given and we have to convert it into improper fraction. How we will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction? To convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, we will multiply these two numbers, denominator by this whole number. We will multiply these two numbers. 3 twos are 6. And after multiplying, we will add this number. 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. First we will multiply these two numbers. 3 twos are 6. And we'll add the numerator. 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. And will retain the denominator as it is. So if we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, answer will be 8 by 3. One more example. This is mixed fraction. We will convert it into improper fraction. So first multiply these two numbers. 5, 6 are 30. And we'll add the numerator. 5, 6 are 30. 30 plus 3, 33. And will retain the denominator 5 as it is. Hope so you have understood addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction, how to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction and mixed fraction to improper fraction. So bye bye kids, thank you and have a nice day.